Hi everyone, and welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. In this video, we'll be looking at CIE IGCSE ICT Paper 3, October November 2017, and the only variant in this paper. Okay, so let's dive into it to data analysis. Before we do data analysis, which is a spreadsheet, let's do the evidence document. Okay, tax 1 evidence document. Open the file 17.3 evidence. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. So yes, we've done that. Enable editing. Just gonna move this here close to where I can see you. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of your evidence document by placing these details in the header. Okay. Click on insert, click on header, 3 columns, gyro, and the center number is AN 017, candidate number is 2023. Save this as a word processed document in your work area with the file name, evidence, okay, followed by your candidate number. Just click on file, click on save as, candidate number 2023, okay, save. You will need your evidence document during examinations to enter answers to questions and place a screenshot in when required. Task 2. You work for a consumer tourist board who uses a spreadsheet to analyze data about their cruise ship passenger in the Caribbean. Use the most effective method in your work. Okay. Open and examine the files. 17.3 cruise and 17.3 locations. So let's open it. Let's examine it. Okay. And okay, let's go ahead. Save the file 17.3 cruise as a spreadsheet with the file name cruise underscore your candidate number. Okay, save as cruise underscore save this what as a spreadsheet. Okay, in your cruise spreadsheet, place the text cruise ship analysis, copy, left align in the header of the page. So let's create the left align. Click on insert, write your own text, headers. Okay, they say what? Left align. Paste it here. Ctrl plus V. Place your name, center number, candidate number, right align in the header of the page. So here I'm going to place child. Center number is AN 017 2023. What else? Place the text last edited on, followed by today's date. Into footer. Where? Center align. Okay, so that's coin date. The text art, then the time automated, so I'll be coin time, center line in the footer. Okay, click on view, change it to normal. Okay, merge cell E2 to F2. Okay, merge cell E2 to F2. Okay, let's do this. Let's adjust it. So E2 to F2. Okay, merge. Format the merge cell and the cell G2 so that the text is center aligned in a black 16-point sans serif. Merge A1 to A1 to H1. Format the cell so that this is completed. Format the cell so that the text is right aligned. With a red, okay, to red 20 points, sans serif font. It has a pale blue background color. Pale blue. Okay, and there's a pale blue. Okay, so this is completed. In cell B4, okay, so Okay, so no G2. Instead of before enter a function to look up the name, enter a function to look up the name of the cruise ship destination from the content. Okay, so okay, B4, yeah, yeah. So we're going to look up the destination. Look up the name of the cruise ship destination from the content of the file. Now, for every lookup, there must be an identity code between both spreadsheets. This is an L code and this is a D code, and we have virtually the same thing. This is ant here, and we also have ant here. So we want to bring out the location here. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm going to click on equals to. Now, how do you know what kind of lookup? It is a vertical lookup because obviously if we're to copy here, this would be what we call horizontal. But since we're copying here, this is vertical. Okay, just want to show you what that is. Okay, so you have equals to v lookup. Okay, so we are looking up this value called this, comma, the table array would be this, comma, the column index number will be 2, comma, and it's going to be an exact match. Okay, so we're going to drag down. I think we'll drag down more. Then we can have, so let's just pick cruise. Cruise means cruise. Do you see cruise there? Okay, Mexico. Okay, it's fine. So it's correct. Okay. In cell F4, okay, this is F4. Enter a formula to calculate the average number of visitors a month for this destination. So I'll enter a formula to calculate the average number of visitors a month. So average number of visitors, this is the average number of visitors for a month. So average number of this particular visitor for a month. So we have equals to this divided by, so we have the average visitor slash month, this, okay, which will give us this. Now remember that it will be gathered down to the nearest visitor. Now to get this done, we can use okay, do we have, okay, So round it up to the nearest visitor. This is a 0. Okay. We can also use int, because if you are rounding up, you round down to the nearest visitor. Okay, so you round it down to the nearest visitor. Okay, if I put int here, let me see what I have if I put int. What do I get? Okay, so yeah, so it works. So whichever one works. So I'm just going to round it down. Okay, I'm going to go down. Okay, all right. In cell H4, enter a formula to calculate the percentage change in the numbers of visitors between 2014 and 2015. So between 2014, what was the change? So that will be equals to 2014 minus this divided by okay. So we could change this to percent. See, okay. Let's see what happens here. Nope. Let me see. What do we use? I think should be more 2015. Should be F4 minus G4. Okay, let's see. I'm just trying to understand the question. Then I want to call the change in numbers of visitors between 2014. Change of visitor between 2014 and okay. Percentage of change in numbers of visitor. Numbers visitor. Oh. I'm doing this for average visitor, not so we're doing this and this, okay? So for the visitor for this period, so they want to know the change between 2014 and 2015. So obviously I'm doing the wrong thing. So this will be equals to this minus this, okay? So that's it here, right? Then divided okay, okay. So divided by what? 2014, because you want to know the change that happened between them. Okay, so obviously you're having 2015. Oh, this should be 2015 here. E here, um, G here. Okay, let's see. Yes, because you want to know the change between this and this, right? Yeah, the question said between 2014 and 2015. Invariably, if you're subtracting, you started 2015 from 2014 because you want to know what was the percentage change for the visitors of 2014 and that of 2015 during this period. Okay. Now, when you're having minus 17, it simply means that uh, obviously they had more visitors in the cruise in 2014 than in 2015. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so that is that. All right. Yeah, I think this is a bit tricky. That is the wonders of data analysis. It would test your brain to reason. Replicate the formulas enters. We've done that. Apply the appropriate formatting to your spreadsheet. And this was the formattings we added. Okay. Save your spreadsheet. Okay, save. Print the spreadsheet showing the formula. So I'm going to click here on uh, formulas, show formula. Okay. Okay. All right. Click on file, click on print. It is in a landscape orientation. So landscape. The row and column headings are displayed. So right here on scaling, page setup rather, sheet, row and column. I'm just going to add grid lines. So it's fine by me. The content of all cells are fully visible. Make it fit on one page. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Printer one, copy, going to print. So this will be my printout one. Okay. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, kernel number on your sheet showing the formula. We have done that. We're still going to check. In fact, I'm going to check now. Yes. Print all of the spreadsheet showing the values. Going to check the formula. So I need it showing the values. Okay. It fits on a single portrait page. Click on file, click on print, portrait. The rows and column headings are not displayed. The content of all cells are fully visible. This will print out too. Okay. New data has just arrived for Barbados in March and British Virgin Islands in April. Edit the data to the spreadsheet to show these changes. Destination is Barbados. Okay. And it's March 2015. So just we're going to add March to edit it to follow the format March, and this will make it 3 months. British Virgin Island. This is to April. So obviously we're using three letters, 3 words. This will make it four. Four. Oh, for Barbados, the extra visitors are 70. That's plus copy. Okay. Sorry. Equals to. Okay. So you can see that um, there was increment. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it like a value. Okay. Without formulas. Okay. For April, British Virgin Island extra visitors 68,000 equals to plus. I'm going to copy it. What did I do? think I copied at the wrong one. Okay, I think I copied at the wrong one. So it's meant to be this. Okay, I'm just going to check to be sure. Just want to check. So this will be 10. Okay. Okay, so this is 211 719. Oh, I've added it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's added right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it. Okay. I'm going to paste this as a value. Okay, so you just have to be careful. Print all the spreadsheets. Print all the spreadsheets showing the values. Make sure it fits on a single page. The rows and column headings are not displayed. The content of the cells are fully visible. This will be printout 3. Copy. Obviously, they want to see the changes that was made. Printout 3. Now, I think we're almost done. In cell E24, okay, enter a function to calculate the total number of visitors to a destination in 2015. A function, right, to calculate the total number of visitors. So I'm going to make this 22. So this is done. Function. In cell E25, enter a function to calculate the average number to all destinations in 2015. In what? In E25. A function to calculate the average number of visitors. Okay. Average. Okay. In cell E26, enter a formula to calculate E26. Okay. Enter a formula to calculate the number of visitors to the most popular cruises in 2015. Okay. Now we're entering the functions to calculate the numbers of visitors to the most popular cruise. So what this simply means is calculating the number of visitors of the most popular. Okay, so let's in where E26. So we're going to use a max function which returns the highest value in a set of values. Write it here. Okay. Okay. Done. In cell I4, okay, right here, I4, yeah, use the formula to copy the values held in B4. So to copy this formula, you can't just do, because it has to be a formula. We're going to use equals to B4. Okay, it works. Okay. And we're going to drag down. Okay. Now enter in cell E27. Okay. Enter a formula to return the name of the most popular cruise destination in 2015. Now we want, this is the highest number, which is Mexico, Cozumel, Mexico. Now to do this, I think we're going to use the VLOOKUP. Okay. So obviously we're using a VLOOKUP to be able to check the name, because obviously they said we are going to enter a function and VLOOKUP is a function. Okay. So we're going to look for this, comma, the table array is going to be from here, because obviously you're looking for the name of the popular cruise destination in 2015. So it's going to be from here. Okay. 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 Column index is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need an exact match. Okay. This is tricky, but we're getting the hang of it. Place an appropriate label in cell D24 to D27. So this will be total number of visitors. Just going to copy this. Copy. Alright. 25. Average number of visitors. Numbers of visitors to the most popular cruise 2015. Name the most popular cruise destination in 2015. Okay, so that is easy to marks. Save your spreadsheet. Click on file, click on save. Print only the cell D24 to E25, D24 to E27, D24 to E27. I'm just printing only this. Inclusive showing the formula. Okay. Okay. So let's print. Click on file. Click on print. The rows and table headings are displayed. Now it doesn't matter if it's landscape or portrait. I don't like the way it is. I'm going to make a landscape. I like the way it is. Click on sheet. Rows and column heading. Print only selection. Okay, let's see portrait. Landscape is better. Okay. So obviously this is what you want to print. I'm going to add grid lines. Okay. This will be printed for copy. Okay, printout 4. All right. Print only the cell I4 to I22, inclusive showing the formula. Okay. I4 to I4. Okay. I4 to I22. Click on file, click on print. Change. Okay, it's already on print selection. Showing the formula. Okay. Make sure the rows and column are displayed. Okay. This will be what? Printer 5. Print all the spreadsheets showing the value. Print all of the spreadsheets showing the value. Make sure it fits on a single page. So we're going to print all of them showing the value. Okay. Showing the values. Okay, like I said, what to print. Okay, so this will be printout 6. Make sure that you have entered your name, center number, card number on your spreadsheet showing the values. Print. Okay, obviously this has to be shown. Now they said print all spreadsheet. Make sure it fits on a single page. The content of all cells are fully displayed. Now we were not asked to add this, so maybe I take it off. To print out 6. Now since they don't ask it, you can add it. There's no file to it because obviously they said print all of the spreadsheets showing the values, make sure it fits on a single page. Now for the formulas, it is required that the rows and columns are displayed. Okay, so I can add it. Okay, since there are no formulas here, we don't need to add it because usually they add this when you're to type in your formulas. So since it's not there, we can just take it off because obviously what they want to mark are not your rows and column, but more or less the values. Okay, so we can print this. Okay, this will be printout 6. Finally, extract only the data gathered for 3 months. Okay, so I have right here on home. Okay, I'm going to now when they tell you get gather or interrogate, it means to filter. So let's filter it. Okay, click here, click number of filter equals to 3. Yeah, so we have this here. Okay, now we're going to sort the data into descending order of percentage change. Okay, custom sort. No, undo it. Click here, right here. You can have no. Okay, what we're going to do is this. Okay, yeah. Um, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to highlight everything here. Okay, and we're going to sort it. Maybe if you want to sort, you have to highlight it. So I'm going to sort. Yes, and it's going to be percentage change, and it's going to be descending order. Sort the data into descending order of percentage change. Okay, now you can see it right here. Yes, print only this extract showing the values. Okay, now printing only the extract showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page. Content of all extracted cells are fully visible. Okay, all right, so let's print it. Click on file, print. This is going to be what? Printout 7. And with this, guys, we're done with the work. We're done with it. Now we're just going to open them to see what we've done. I think for formulas, please ensure that all your formulas are showing. Very, very important that they are showing and nothing is cutting. For values, you don't have to add your headings. This is fine. Okay. All right. I think everything is clear. It's important you preview them before sending it to the printer to ensure that all your work is clear. So yeah, everything is good to go. So thank you for watching, and please don't just watch. Like, practice, subscribe. See you next time.